Hello students, good morning to all. My name is Gayatri Kumari and today's onward I will teach you maths instead of Parul madam. Let's continue the chapter 14, how big, how heavy. So open page number 197. Track to Gangotri. Let's read. The students of class 12 are going on a trek to Gangotri. Children, you can see the image of Gangotri. It is the mountain place people go for trekking in Gangotri. They have to pack their bag for 6 days and keep them light because you don't get any hotel or restaurant like you get when you go other places because it is the mountainous area, right? They also have to take things that do not take too much space. So they will look for things that have both less volume and less weight. After all, they will carry their own bags while climbing the mountain. So children, nobody can take their luggage, so they have to carry their own bag, right? They even dry the tomatoes and dry the onions and tomatoes to make them light. 1 kg of onion or tomatoes becomes 100 gram when the water inside dried up. So children, if you take fresh 1 kg of tomato or 1 kg of onion, if you dry it, you will get only 100 gram of tomatoes and onion. So children, you can see over here the list of food each person will need for one day. So what is written here? Rice 100 gram, flour 100 gram, pulses 1/3 of weight of rice and flour, oil 50 gram, sugar 50 gram, milk powder 40 gram, tea around 10 gram, dalia 40 gram, and what is here? Uh, Salt 5 gram, dried onion and tomatoes 10 gram, right? So here is the given list for each person for one day. Okay, now turn the page. Here is given some question based on it. Okay, so this question, children, I have written in notebook because here is not enough space. So children, also you will write answer in your notebook. So children, in question we have to find out for 6 days each person will need rice and flour how much gram. So children, given in the list, uh, here is the list of food for each person for one day. Okay, so rice 100 gram. So rice, what we can write here? Rice required per person per day 100 gram, and also flour required per person per day 100 gram. So total rice and flour required for each person for a single day. So what we do, children? We will add 100 gram plus 100 gram is equal to 200 gram, right? But here we have to find for 6 days. So what we write statement? For 6 days rice and flour required per person, here is given for one day. So we have to find for 6 days. So what we do? We will multiply by 6. That means 200 gram multiply by 6. When we multiply, what we get? 1200 gram. Okay, so we can say for 6 days rice and flour required for per person is equal to 1200 grams. So the next question is how much pulses are required for 6 days. So same way, what we do, children? We write pulses required per person for 6 days is equal to 1/3 of weight of rice and flour. Okay, so let's write statement. So pulses required for per person for 6 days is equal to 1/3 of 1200 gram. That is rice and flour required per person for 6 days. So here we have to take 1/3 of 1200 gram. So children, we have to check this number will cut by 3. So when you read the table of 3 to get 12, how much time? 3 fours are 12. So we will write here 4 above 12, and this remaining 20 we write here. So the answer is 400 gram. Okay. So we can say pulses required per person for 6 days is equal to 400 gram. Now let's come to the next question. Here, how much dried onions need for 6 days? So first what we write, dried onion required per person per day. Okay, how much? 20 gram. You can see in a list. So here is given dried onions for 1 day per person required 10 grams. So sorry children, here I have written 20, but you have to write here 10 gram. Okay. So first statement what we write, dried onion required per person per day is equal to 10 gram. Okay. But we have to find here for 6 days. So what we do children? For 6 days dried onion required for each person, we multiply by 6. So 6 multiplied by 10 gram is equal to 60 gram. So how much dried onion required? 60 grams. Okay, this is your answer. Now let's come to the next question. How much of fresh tomatoes should be dried for 6 days for 10 people? So children, this question we will do in our notebook. So children, first we have to find here for 1 day. So what we write a statement, one person needs dried tomato is equal to 10 gram. It is given in the list. Okay, you can check in textbook. So we have to find for 10 people. So 10 people needs dried tomatoes. What we do children? We will multiply by 10. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100 gram. So here we already found for 1 day. Now we have to find for 6 days. So what we write? 10 people need dried tomatoes for 6 days is equal to this 100 gram multiplied by 6, that is 600 gram. So children, it is given that 1 kg of fresh tomatoes is equal to 100 grams of dried tomato, right? Suppose we have to take 100 gram of dried tomato, how much we need fresh tomato? 1 kg, okay? But here we have to find out for 6 days. That means if we need 600 gram of dried tomato, how much kg of fresh tomatoes required? For 100 gram we take 1 kg. For 600 gram we take 6 kg, right? So we will write 6 kg of fresh tomatoes is equal to 600 gram of dried tomato. Okay. So children, what we write a statement? So for 600 gram of dried tomatoes we need 6 kg of fresh tomato, right? Now children, let's see the question C. This question you have to solve yourself. This is your homework. First you read this question. What is the total weight of food for 6 days? Okay, what is question? What is the total weight of food for 6 days in each person's bag? Okay, so children, I show you how to write in notebook. So this way you have to make a table. You will write item, and then in second column what you write? Weight for 1 day. Okay, weight the food weight for 1 day, and then weight for 6 days. So all item you have to write. It is given in list in your textbook: rice, flour, pulses, oil, sugar, etc. Then what is the weight of rice? 100 gram for 1 day. So you have to find out for 6 days. So what you will do? You will multiply by 6. That means 600 gram. Similarly, you can find in flour. Then pulses, we know that as you can see in list, pulses is 1/3 of rice and flour, weight of rice and flour for 1 day. So you have to find for 6 days. So what you will do? You will multiply 1 by 3 of 1200 gram, which is the weight for 6 days of rice and flour. So you can find 400 gram. So this way you will fill the table and you will show me. Thank you.